Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. So today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can delete Yubo account. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. Firstly, just go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go all the way to your top right corner where you will find your profile icon. Just go over here, and once you are over here, then just go to settings on your top right corner. So now as you are over here, scroll all the way down until you find delete account, so which is just below logout. So once you press on delete, then just confirm it and your account will be deleted. So that's how you're gonna do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.